Marityasana 1. Sit in Dandasana. Bend the left knee and place the sole and heel of the left foot flat on the floor. The shin of the left leg should be perpendicular to the floor and the calf should touch the thigh. Place the left heel near the perineum. The inner side of the left foot should touch the inner side of the outstretched right thigh. Stretch the left shoulder forward till the left armpit touches the perpendicular left shin. Turn the left arm round the left shin and the thigh. Bend the left elbow and throw the left forearm behind the back at the level of the waist. Then move the right hand behind the back and clasp the left hand with the right one, or vice versa. Now turn the spin to the left, keeping the outstretched right leg straight. Exhale, bend forward, rest the forehead, then the nose, next the lips, and lastly the chin on the right knee. Stay in this pose for about 30 seconds, breathing normally. Inhale, raise the head, release the hands, straighten the left leg and repeat the pose on the other side for an equal length of time. Marityasana 1 stimulates liver and kidney functions, also improves digestive functions, improves abdominal areas blood circulation, and strengthens shoulder. Also stimulates brain proper functions. Relax, raise the head, lower the leg and sit in Dandasana. Marityasana 2. Sit in Dandasana. Bend the left leg at the knee and place the left foot at the root of the right thigh. The left heel should press the navel and the toes should be stretched and pointing. The left leg is now in half Padmasana. Bend the right leg at the knee. Place the sole and heel of the right foot flat on the floor. Keep the shin of the right leg perpendicular so that the right thigh and the right calf touches each other. Bend slightly forward. Stretch the right shoulder forward until the right armpit touches the perpendicular right shin. Exhale. Curl the right arm, round the right shin and thigh. Bend the right elbow and turn the right forearm behind the back at the level of the waist. Then move the left hand behind the back and clasp the right hand with the left or vice versa. Stretch the spine up and hold the pose for a few seconds. Exhale. Move the trunk and head forward and rest the head on the bent left knee. Then extend the neck and rest the chin on the left knee. Remain in this pose for a few seconds, breathing deeply and normally. Inhale, move the head and trunk up, release the hands, straighten the legs and repeat the pose on the other side for the same length of time. Marichyasana 2 stimulates liver and kidney functions, improves digestive functions, also improves abdominal areas, blood circulation, and strengthens shoulders. Also stimulates brain functions properly. Relax. Unlock the hands, straighten the legs and sit in Dandasana. Marichyasana 3. Sit in Dandasana. Bend the knee. Place the sole and heel of the left foot flat on the floor. The shin of the left leg should be perpendicular to the floor and the calf should touch the thigh. Place the left heel near the perineum. Exhale. Turn the spine about 90 degrees to the left so that the chest goes beyond the bent left thigh. And bring the right arm over the left thigh. Place the right shoulder beyond the left knee and stretch the right arm out forward by turning the spine still more to the left and stretching the region at the back of the right floating ribs. Exhale. Twist the right arm round the left knee. Flex the right elbow and place the right wrist at the back of the waist. Inhale and hold the pose. Turn the left arm from the shoulder behind the back. Either clasp the left hand behind the back with the right one or vice versa. The right arm should lock the left bent knee tightly. After clasping the hands at the back, turn the spine still more to the left by tugging at the clasped hands. The whole of the outstretched right leg should remain straight and secure on the floor. Stay in this pose for half a minute to a minute with normal and deep breathing. The neck may be turned either way to gaze at the toes of the extended leg on the floor. Relax. Straighten the leg. Sit in Dandasana and repeat the pose on the other side for the same length of time. This time, bend the right knee and place the right foot firmly on the floor so that the right heel touches the perineum. By the regular practice of this asana, splitting backaches, lumbago, and pain in the hips disappear rapidly. Liver and the spleen are contracted and so are toned. The muscles of the neck gain power and sprains in the shoulder movements become free. Relax, unlock the hands, straighten the leg and sit in Dandasana. Marityasana 4. Sit in Dandasana. Bend the right leg at the knee and place the right foot at the root of the left thigh. The right heel should press against the navel and the toes should be stretched and pointing. The right leg is now in half Padmasana. Bend the left knee. Place the sole and heel of the left foot flat on the floor. Keep the shin perpendicular to the floor so that the left thigh and the calf touches each other and the left heel touches the perineum. Exhale. Turn the spine about 90 degrees to the left so that the right armpit touches the outer side of the left thigh. Place the right shoulder beyond the left knee and stretch the right arm forward. by turning the spine still more to the left and stretching the region at the back of the right floating ribs. Exhale, move the right arm round the left knee. Bend the right elbow and place the right hand at the back of the waist. The left knee is locked tightly. Now, exhale again and twist the left arm from the shoulder behind the back and clasp both the hands. Stretch the chest and pull up the spine. Remain in this pose for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. Now, release the hands, sit in Dandasana and repeat the pose on the other side for the same length of time. Following right for the left and vice versa. The pressure of the heel against the navel and the clasping of the hands behind the back regenerates the nerves round the navel. It tones the liver, spleen and pancreas. Calcium deposits in the shoulder joints are resolved, and this asana helps free movement at the shoulders. Release the hands, straighten the legs and relax.